Easy. Easy with her. You're being wild with her. Who is that?
Miss Dee.
Dieters. Hi, Dieters. I'll get a box. I'm pretty sure she doesn't enjoy that. Okay. Let her get loose now. She was a good sport. Short burst of trauma.
I wash my hands.
And she butt walks. They're very good at ignoring my whistle. There's 3 more over there. This is my little wild front garden. They've been chewing on my lilies. Poor lilies. My crepe myrtle.